Hey, you guys, it's Freedom Friday, and I wanted to start sharing with you about what I mean when I start saying building a business for time freedom. So, when you have a job like you go to work 8 to 10 hours a day, you only get paid for 8 to 10 hours a day, right? Now, imagine if you could work 2 hours a day, but have your business out there working for you 24/7. That's building a business for time freedom. Like a great example would be Amazon. Amazon has a website out there working for them 24/7. Now imagine if you had one, what I call our 6-figure funnel, our freedom machine, out there working for you. No, 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 no. Don't freak out right now and think, oh my gosh, how's that possible, Rosalina? That sounds like really, really good, but I don't know tech. I don't have the time to do that. See, inside our blueprint, we show you step by step how to attract your customers